102,000 stars, 13,000 forks, 28 agents, 80 plus skills, 24 commands, hooks that run on every tool call, rules for 10 programming languages, multi-agent orchestration with PM2, and a security scanner built in. This is everything Claude Code, the single most comprehensive resource for making Claude Code perform at its absolute best. It started as an Anthropic hackathon winner and evolved into something no Claude Code user should be without. Let me show you what's inside. Everything Claude Code, or ECC, is a performance optimization framework for AI agent harnesses. It works with Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, and similar platforms. The creator, affaan, built this over 10 plus months of intensive daily use, and it shows. This isn't a collection of tips. It's a production-grade system with agents that review your code in 10 languages, skills that handle everything from API design to investor materials, hooks that fire on session start and every tool use, and a selective installation system that only gives you what you need. Version 1.9 is the current release with 997 passing tests. It has a GitHub Marketplace app with 150 active installations, and translations in 6 languages. The scale of this project is genuinely staggering for a community resource. Let's browse the actual repository. You can immediately see the scale. This is not a README with some links. It's a full project with shell scripts, TypeScript, Python, Go, Java, and Perl. The directory structure is methodical. Agents in their own directory, skills organized by domain, commands as individual files, hooks with lifecycle management, and rules categorized by language. The README alone is a comprehensive guide with installation instructions, architecture diagrams, and deep documentation for every component. Scroll through, and you'll see why 100,000 developers have starred this. The agent system is where ECC really shines. 28 specialized agents organized into 4 categories. Planning and architecture gives you a planner, an architect, and a TDD guide. These shape your project before you write a line of code. Code quality includes a general code reviewer, a security reviewer, and a refactor cleaner. Then there are language-specific reviewers, dedicated agents for TypeScript, Python, Go, C++, Java, Kotlin, Rust, and PHP. Each one knows the idioms, patterns, and common pitfalls of its language. And finally, build error resolution agents for Go, Rust, Java, Kotlin, C++, and PyTorch. These kick in when your build breaks, and they know how to fix language-specific compilation and runtime errors. There's also an end-to-end test runner, a doc updater, a loop operator, a harness optimizer, and a database reviewer. It's like having a full engineering team available as Claude Code agents. 80 plus skills, and they cover ground you wouldn't expect from a Claude Code resource. Backend and infrastructure gives you API design, deployment patterns, Docker, database migrations, Postgres optimization, and ClickHouse analytics. Frontend has React and Next.js patterns, plus an HTML presentation builder that converts to PowerPoint. There are full framework-specific skill suites for Django, Laravel, Spring Boot, Go, Python, C++, Perl, and Swift, each with patterns, security, TDD, and verification. But it goes beyond engineering. There are skills for article writing, content distribution engines, market research, investor materials, and outreach workflows. The continuous learning skill extracts instincts from your coding patterns over time, and the autonomous workflow orchestration skill lets Claude manage multi-step pipelines without human intervention. This is a complete professional toolkit, not just a coding helper. Installation is dead simple if you're on the Claude Code plugin marketplace. 2 commands, plugin marketplace add, then plugin install. Restart Claude Code, and you're running with all 28 agents, all 80 plus skills, all hooks, and all rules. For manual installation, you clone the repo and run the install script with your language, TypeScript, Python, Go, whatever you need. The selective installation system is smart. It uses a manifest-driven approach with state tracking, so you only get what you need, and incremental updates only pull what's changed. There's also cursor and anti-gravity target support if you're not on Claude Code, and Windows users get a dedicated PowerShell installer. The hook system is what makes ECC feel like it's always watching your back. Hooks fire on 4 lifecycle events: session start, pre-tool use, post-tool use, and stop. On session start, memory persistence kicks in. Your context from previous sessions is restored. On every tool use, pattern extraction runs in the background, building up your instinct library. The stop hook evaluates your session and suggests strategic compaction. You can configure the intensity with hook profiles, minimal for low overhead, standard for balanced, and strict for maximum optimization. Individual hooks can be disabled with environment variables, and the system auto-detects your package manager, npm, pnpm, yarn, or bun, from your environment and project config. These hooks are the secret weapon. They turn Claude Code from a tool you use into a system that learns how you work. ECC includes a multi-agent orchestration system built on PM2. The /multiplan command decomposes a complex task into subtasks. /multi-execute distributes those subtasks across parallel Claude Code instances. The PM2 integration handles process management, monitoring, and log aggregation. The loop operator agent coordinates long-running workflows. And the harness optimizer agent continuously tunes the system based on your usage patterns. This isn't theoretical. It's a working orchestration layer that lets you throw a big task at Claude Code and have multiple agents tackle it in parallel. Combined with the checkpoint and sessions commands, you get full control over multi-agent state. Let's put the numbers in perspective. 102,000 stars makes this one of the most starred developer tools on GitHub, period. Not just in the AI category, overall. The project has 30+ contributors, translations in 6 languages, a GitHub Marketplace app with enterprise tiers, and 3 comprehensive guides. A shorthand guide for getting started, a long-form guide covering token optimization, memory persistence, evals, and parallelization, and a security guide covering attack vectors, sandboxing, and CVE tracking. Version 1.9 added 6 new language agents, 12 new skills, a SQLite state store for manifest tracking, harness audit scoring, and observer loop prevention. This is not a side project. This is a platform that's been battle-tested across thousands of production workflows by over 100,000 developers. Everything-Claude-Code is free, open source, and MIT licensed. 2 commands to install from the plugin marketplace. Link is in the description. If you use Claude Code daily and you're not running this, you're leaving performance on the table. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more Claude Code deep dives every week. See you in the next one.